hope you can see this clearly. I don't know, I'm trying to adjust it. Anyway, so this is lesson 1.1. They said variables and expression. Evaluate each expression for the variable 6x plus 2 for x equals to 3. What this is trying to tell you, anywhere you see x, you put 3 in place. It's just like when you're going to buy something and they tell you, if you want to buy Apple phone, anywhere you see Apple, instead of putting Apple or picking Apple, you pick 3. That's all they are trying to tell you. So here, instead of writing I found 6 apples, you write you found 6 times 3. Okay, so this is 6. Let's assume x is apple. Okay, and each time you see apple, you replace it with 3. So we're going to write here 6 3 instead of apple. This means multiplication. 3 plus 2. Okay, if you see something written like this, 6x, this basically means 6 multiplied by x. And here our x is 3. Our x is 3. So it's going to be 6 times 3. That's all they are telling you here. So this is going to be 6 times 3 plus 2. So you remember the formula we normally use. We have this what we call pendants. Okay, permutation, expression, okay, multiplication. So whichever one that comes first. Here multiplication comes first. This is division, this is addition, and this is subtraction. So multiplication came first, so we're going to solve this one first. 3 multiplied by 8 by 3, sorry, 6, I'm so sorry, 6 multiplied by 3. What you can do here, you can write 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 lines. Okay, these are 6 vertical lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you're going to draw 3 horizontal lines. 1 2 and 3. Now you're going to count all the lines wherever they are touching each other. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 6 multiplied by 3 is going to give you 18. Now here we are going to put down 18, put down plus, and you write 2. Okay, now we have 18 plus 2. You have 18, you add 2, you start counting 18, 19, and 20. So here the answer is going to be 20. That's how you got it. So we're going to do question number 2, which says, question number 2 says 18 minus a for a equals to 13. What they are trying to tell you, anywhere you see a, instead of writing a, you write down 13. Now this is the sign they gave us here. The sign here is subtraction. So we're going to write 18 minus, instead of writing a, we're going to write 13. Okay, 18 minus 13. How do we get it? It's easier if you put it like this: 18 minus 13. 8, you remove 3. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You remove 3. 1 2 3. How many left? 1 2 3 4 5. You write 5. 1 minus 1 is going to give you 0. So 18 minus 3, the answer is 5. We have question number 3. I'm not going to do all of them for you because is actually going to take the whole day. So question number 3 says, this is fraction 1 over 4y for y equals to 16. Now here, remember, anywhere you see y, you're going to put 16. Anywhere you see y, you're going to put 16. So where is our y here? Look at our y. Remember I told you, if there is no sign written here, it means multiplication. Look at this place. There is no sign here. They did not write addition. They did not write subtraction. They did not write division. So anytime you see anything like this, two numbers together or two variables together without any form or any sign in the middle of it, of the two of them, you know automatically they want you to multiply. Okay, so this is 1 over 4. See, now the two, this number, digit and variables, they are together. Okay, there is no sign in between them. They are together. So if they are together, we are going to multiply. Multiply by 16. Okay, remember this is fraction. In a fraction, if you see something like this, 18 plus 1 over 2, this means 18 over 1 plus 1 over 2. So in fraction, anytime you see a number stand and hanging like this, it means you divide it by 1. Remember, I don't know if you can remember what we did in grade 7. You multiply, this is multiplication, you multiply across. Multiply across. Across. So we have here equals to 1 times 16 over 4 times 1. Where did we get that 1? Remember I told you if you see a number hanging, it means divide by 1 when it comes to fraction. So we multiply across. 1 multiplied by 16 is going to give us 16. 4 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 4. So now what we are going to do, we are going to look at this number together. If we want to make it smaller, no problem, we can make it smaller. Okay, if you want to make it smaller, it's okay. If you're making it smaller, you divide by 4 and you divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 will give you 4. And 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. So the answer is 4. If you want to stop here, you get your full mark. If you stop here, you get your full mark. So question number 4. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me. Question number 4, we have 9 minus 2b for b equals to 3. Remember, anywhere you see b, what you're going to write is 3. And see, they are written together, 2b, which means this is going to be multiplication. It's going to be multiplication. Now, minus and 9. Okay? 9 minus 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? It's going to be 6. 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 is going to give you what? 3. That is so. Where did you get? How did you get 9? It is wrong. How did you get 9? The answer is 3. I don't know how you got 9, or maybe you did it like this, 9 minus 2. How did you get 9? 3 times 2 is 6, right? 9 minus 6 is 3. But you got 9 here. I don't know how you got 9. Even if you multiply, subtract 7, even if you do, you gave me the answer as 9 is 3. I think it's 3. Even if it's going to be 7 times 3, it's not going to give you 9. So the answer is 3. Check your answer, Habibti. Check your answer. This is not 9, it's 3. Because 2 times 3 is 6. So 9 minus 6 is going to give you 3. Okay, check. Check again. Number 5. Number 5, we have here. Okay, so number 5, you can watch this video over and over again. Let's do number 5. Number 5 says, number 5, question number 5, we have 44 minus 12n. Remember I told you, look at this, it's 12 and n, which means it is 12 multiplied by n. What is n? Our n is 3. So here I'm gonna write it first so that you are going to follow what I'm doing. You put 3 here, 12. Where did you get the 12? It's already written here. Then we're going to bring down minus, and we're going to bring down 44. We're going to solve this together. 3 times 12 times 3. 12 times 3. We can do it like we did it before. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Multiply by 3. 1, 2, and 3. So anywhere the two lines touch their points, that's where we're going to count. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 12 times 3 is 36. So we have to bring down everything. 44. Okay. Here we have 44 minus 44 minus 36. You can always do it like this. 44 minus 36. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So see, 4 is smaller than 6. So we have to go and borrow. When you borrow from here, this will become 3. And you put it here, it becomes tens, which making it 14. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is what? 8. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Okay. It's 6. I'm so sorry. It's 6. 14 minus 6 is going to give you 8. It will give you 8. So the answer here is 8. Okay, so we finish question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's do number the remaining. We're gonna do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So you still have more to do. I don't know if my video can carry this, but I hope you're getting it right now, right? I hope you're following, Habibti. I don't know if my camera can carry it, but let me see how far it can go. Number 6. If not, I'm going to put it on YouTube and send you the link. Okay. Number 6. we have 7.2 plus 8k. Okay, what is our k? For k equals to 2. So which means anywhere you see k, you put 2. Remember, look at this. They didn't tell us to add or subtract. So if they didn't tell you anything, it means you have to multiply. If they are together like this, okay? So what is k? K is 2. Multiply by 8 plus 7.2. 8 times 2 is what? 16 plus 7.2. What is 7.2 plus 16? You write it like this. 7.2 plus 16 is a whole number. 16 is a whole number. So where is the whole number here? 7 is also a whole number. So we are going to put 16 under 7. So this is how we are going to write it. 7.2 plus 16. This is how we are going to write it. So you can also put 0 so that it will be in line with each other. Make sure that 7 and 6 are in line, okay? Don't put 1 here, no. Make sure that the dots are in line. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Put the dot. 6 plus 7 is going to give you 13. 1 up. 1 plus 1 is going to give you 2. So this is going to be equals to 23.2. Okay, so we have question number 7. If you have any question, 20 b minus 15 for b equals to 19. So where is our b? See, they gave us a sign which is subtraction. I hope this thing is videoing. Yeah. Oh, I turned this upside down. Oh my god. Which is subtraction. So 19, we are going to write 19. B is our 19 is our b minus 15 multiplied by 20. 19 minus 15, you can put it down like this. 19 minus 15, it will give you 4. We can count it. So we'll put the one in bracket, we did it first, which is 4, 20. See, there is no sign here, which means we are going to multiply. 20 times 4. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So the answer here is 80. We have question number 8. I have so many of these questions I solved on the YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I'm going to send you a link so that you get some of them, because they have been there for like 2 years now. So I did it for some students in some other schools. So, but I have to edit it because although they are using the same book, but some of them are not the same. N multiplied by 18 minus 5 for n equals to 4. See, this is our n. So anywhere you see n, you put 4. 18 minus 5. What is 18 minus 5? You can do it like this if you don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You write 13. Now we are going to multiply. 13 multiplied by 4. How we do it? 4 multiplied by 3 first, which will give you 12. You put 1 up. 4 multiplied by 1, which will give you 4, plus this one up here to give you 5. So the answer here, as we are looking at it, is going to be equals to 52. Question number 9. Evaluate the expression for the given value of the variable. Number 9 says 2x plus y for x equals to 7 and y equals to what? 11. This means anywhere you see y, you put 11, and anywhere you see x, you put 7. So let's do it. Our y is what? 11. Plus our x is what? 7. See, there is no space in between, which means you're going to multiply. Okay? You're going to multiply. So 2 times 7 is 14 plus 11. You can do it this way. 14 plus 11, making it easy. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. So what do we have here? Here we have 25. This is the answer. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is 4j minus k. 4j equals to 4 and k equals to 10. Okay, so what is our k? You write 10 minus. And what is our j? You write 4. Don't forget to put the multiplication. So 4 times 4 is 16 minus 10. This is going to give you 6. How did you get it? 16 minus 10. 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. That's how we got the answer. So question number 11. What is question number 11? You have 9a. 9a. Remember, there is nothing in between, so this is going to be 9 times a minus 6 times b. So what is our a? Our a is 6 and our b is what? Our b is 2. Okay, so it's going to be here 6 times 2, which is b, minus 9 times 6, which is a. So this is going to be 9 times 6 is what? You can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to, then you cross. This one horizontal has to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count the squares together like we did before, okay? If not, if you know 6 times 10, which is 60, you subtract by 6, is going to give 54. 54 minus 12. What is 54 minus 12? You write it like this. 54, you remove 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 42. Okay, we've done question 1 to 11. Question 1 to 11. Now we have 12 and 13 left. So 13 and 4 left. So we're going to do it fast because this is 24 minutes. I don't know how I'm going to post this for you, but I'll see. So we have question number 11, number 12. So the next one is going to be on YouTube. I have so many of these questions here on YouTube. They have been there for 2 years. But I'm going to edit it and add some more and remove some more so that it will not confuse you. I have so many of them, like 13 videos on question like this, because I have some students from other schools I've been tutoring for the past 2 or 3 years. So question number 12, I have 5s plus 5t for s equals to 15 and t equals to 12. Remember, this is multiplication because there is no space, so it's going to be 5 times t is 12 plus 5 times s is 15. How are we going to do this? This is big number. We'll multiply like this. It's easier. 15 times 5. 5 times 5 is going to give us 25. You write 5 and put 2 up. 5 times 1, 5. Then you add the 2 inside the circle. 5 plus 2 is going to give you 7. So this one is 75 plus 5 times 12 times 5. This is going to give you 0 up. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 here is 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 60. 75 plus 60. 75 plus 60. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 6 is 13. So the answer is 135. Okay. Question number 13. 7n minus m for m equals to 4 and n equals to 15. It will give you 7, n is 15, and m is 4. 15 minus 4 is going to give you what? 11. 7 times 11 is going to give you 77. If you're confused here, you let me know, because this is the same thing we've been doing. So you first solve the one in bracket, which is 15 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. You bring down 1. Okay, so that's how we got 11. 7 times 11. 11 multiplied by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. That's how we got 77. If I put bracket here, it also means multiplication because there is no sign here. So you have question number 14, which is W14 minus Y for W equals to 8 and Y equals to 5. So what is our W here is 8. And what is our Y is 14, is 5 minus 5. So what is 14 minus 5? You can write it like this. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is 9. 8 times 9 is going to give us what? 72. Okay, that is it. You have question number 17 and 18, I think. 17, 12 quarter and 18 quarter. Which other one? This is like 29 minutes. If Q is the number of quarts of lemonade, then 1 over 4Q can be used to find the number of cups of lemonade mix needed to make the lemonade. How much mix is needed to make each amount of lemonade? So here, if each and every one of them, if 1 over 4 Q can be used to find the number of cups of lemonade, Okay, so we're going to use this to find the number of cups of lemonade. What are they asking of? 12 quarter. Remember, 1 over 4, that is what we are looking for. No, that is what we are going to use, 1 over 4q. What is 1 over 4q? So 12 quart is what? This is what I want you to do. You did question number 17. We are going to use 1 over 4q. So here, they have given us the letters. Now you're going to put the numbers. Number here, number 17, the number here is 12. So we are going, instead of writing q, we are going to represent it with 12, or 4. For q equals to 12. So it's going to be 1 over 4 multiplied by 12. If you watched the previous video we did, I told you if you see any number here hanging, it means over 1. Okay? So we are going to multiply across. 1 times 12 and 4 times 1. This is going to give us 12 over 4. You can divide it. This is going to give you 3. If you leave it like this, you get your full mark. If you divide it, you get your full mark. But this is wrong. Okay, it's 1, not 12 over 12 multiplied by 12. Okay. Let's see question number 18. Remember, we are using 1 over 4q. Here, 18 for q equals to 18. Okay, so anywhere we see q, we'll put 18. 1 over 4. What am I saying? 4 multiplied by 18 over 1. So you multiply across. 1 times 18 over 4 times 1. This is going to give you 18 over 4. Okay, is there any one number that can divide this and this? Maybe we should use 2. We'll see. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 4 divided by 2 is going to give you 2. So we're going to leave it like this. Cups. The next one is, if m is the number of minutes a taxi ride lasts, and then 2 plus 0.35 meters can be used, or 35 m can be used to find the cost of the taxi ride with Billy's Taxi Company. How much will it cost for a 12 minutes taxi ride? So they want us to use 2 plus 0. This is what they want us to use, 2 plus 0.35 m to find the cost. How much will it cost for 2 minutes? Okay, so how are you going to do it? Anywhere you see m, you put what? 12 minutes. Let's see. I'm not going to turn over to the other one. I'm going to use number 19 here. So this is what they want us to use. 2 plus 0 plus 3, 5m. For m equals to what? 12. So how are we going to do it? 2 plus 0.35 multiplied by 12. That's it. So here we have 0.35 multiplied by 12. We're going to do it like this. 0.35 multiplied by 12. So how you're going to do it? You use 2 to multiply 5, 3.0. Okay, 2 times 5 is 0. Put 1 up, 2 up on top of 3. 2 times 3, 6 plus this one in bracket, 7. You write it 7 underneath 3. 2 times point, put your point, don't mind me. We are going to count the points. 2 times this is 0. Don't put any points, just make sure you know how many decimal points, which is 2. You have 2 decimals. You have 2 decimals. I don't have enough space left. You have 2 decimal, 1, 1, and 2. 2 decimal, just remember that. Okay, so we finish multiplying. We multiply the 2 times 5, 2 times 3, and 2 times 0. So we come down to 1. 1 times 5, you write 5. 1 times 3, you write 3. Then you're going to add them together. 0, 2, remainder 1, 4. So how many decimal point? 2. You have, start counting 1. Start counting 1, 2. So the answer is going to be 4.2. 4 point what? The answer here is 4.2. Remember, so it's going to be. I could have. Okay, let me bring it here. It's going to be 2 plus 4. 4.2. So remember, whole number. You're going to do it like this: 2.0 plus 4.2. Okay, this will give you 2, 6. When it comes to when you're adding decimals or subtracting decimal, what you have to do, make sure that the whole decimal are in one place, in line. Okay, don't forget. But when you're multiplying it, the only thing you have to do, you count how many decimal places. Multiply, pretend as if there are no decimal. When you finish multiplying, then you count how many decimal places, like we did. Okay, this is going to give you 6.2. That's the answer. If you have anything confusing you here, you let me know. That's it for today. I'm gonna do the next one, but I will put it on YouTube because I need to get the paper I'm using now, this one. I need to put it on like a screen so that I'll write it nicely. But I know you understand all this. I know you understand. If you have any question, please let me know. So bye.